lovelies, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Genevieve Ezinwa here. I'm a Nigerian tuber based in Lagos. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieve a side bangs ponytail using a stockings knit cap and a multi crochet hair. Okay, so I'm gonna head to wear the knit cap onto my mannequin head, and here I'm showing you the multi crochet extension that I'm using to make the bangs. Okay, so it's in the color 30, and afterwards I'll grab one piece of the crochet hair and I'm cutting it into two equal parts. Okay, then after you cut it into two equal parts, you grab one of it and you unravel it into three. All right, when you unravel it into three equal parts, you grab one of the pieces that you unraveled and then you unravel it again into two pieces. Okay, so this is what you'll be doing until you're able to unravel the whole crochet extensions and you achieve this kind of fluffy kind of crochet hair that we need for the side bangs. Okay, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button so you get subscribed to my channel and join the family. Okay, because you are most definitely welcome into the family. And also turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be the first to get notified anytime I post videos like this. All right. So once you're done unraveling the hair, okay, all you need to do is just to start crocheting. Okay, so here I'm showing you where exactly you need to crochet, which is you target the center of the knit. Okay, that is exactly where you need to start crocheting your extensions onto the knit cap. All right, so going ahead, I started crocheting the extension onto the knit cap. Okay, it is pretty simple to do. It is very easy to crochet. It's not hard. And if you don't know how to crochet hair, there are 1001 videos here on YouTube where you can go watch and learn how to crochet your extension onto your knit cap. But it is pretty simple. You can still watch me do it and you will learn how to do it. Okay, all you need to do is just grab your crochet hook, slide your crochet hook onto two or more than two knits, and then open your lash hook, attach your extension until it, close your lash hook, and then pull it. Okay, once you pull it out, you hold your hair extensions and you knot it. Okay, make sure you knot it because if you don't, it's going to pull out. All right, so it's very easy to do. All right, I will allow you to watch and I'll be right back. So when you're done crocheting the center of the net, all you need to do is just to bring out your hair. When you bring out the net, you fold it. Okay, when you fold the net, you grab a wig comb. Okay, actually attach the wig comb onto the net. Okay, but if you don't have a wig comb, you can just use an elastic band. Okay, but me, I attached the wig comb and also an elastic band. But if you don't have a wig comb, elastic band will do just fine. Okay, but if you have the wig comb, you can still attach the wig comb just the way I'm doing it right now. Okay, so I'm going ahead to attach the wig comb using needle and thread to sew it down onto the net. So here I'm done sewing the wig comb. I attached the wig comb in the front and at the back too. Okay, so here is the elastic band I'll be using to hold the hair. Okay, it's a drawstring ponytail. Okay, so I'm using this elastic band as a drawstring. Okay, all right, so I'm going ahead to attach the elastic onto the net. Okay, this was what I was saying. Okay, if you don't have a wig comb, just the elastic band will do just fine. Okay, all you need to do is just wear your ponytail and then you tie the elastic band and it holds in place. But for more safety and more security and all that, that's why I attached the wig comb, because it's going to make your ponytail to be more firm onto your hair. Okay. So once I'm done attaching it, I'll just knot it up. Okay, then here I'm going ahead to trim the hair. Okay, and put it in place the way I want it, because it's side bangs. Okay, so I'm taking it towards the side, trimming it towards the side, so it will give me the side bangs look. All right, and afterwards, after trimming it, I'll apply a styling mousse onto the hair. Okay, and the styling mousse I'm using is a Nova Gold styling mousse. All right, and after applying the styling mousse onto it, I also applied an olive oil sheen on it so as to add a little more shine onto the hair. Okay. So here I'm pushing the head towards the side and arranging it so as to give me the side bangs look that I want. Okay, and as I'm going ahead to use a bobby pin to hold it and put it in place. Okay, so if you have stayed with me to the end of this video and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, please support your girl. Okay, support this channel and help me grow, right? So kindly hit the red subscribe button so you get subscribed to my channel, and also turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to get notified anytime I post videos like this. All right, also like this video, give it a thumbs up if you think I did good, if you think I tried. Also share it to your family and friends. You don't know who would need this, you don't know who want to try this out. Okay, that'll be it for this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of it, and I will see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe, and God bless you all. I love you. Bye.